your name, and they're in touch with you, and they'll deliver it to you within 10 working days. So let's get started. Let's not delay it. Okay. See, I can see everything. I can see the answers. So let's get started.
This side.
And if you don't imagine, I already picked 10 winners. Don't worry, you get other prizes as well. You get 30 dirhams, yeah? 30 dirhams off from anything that you buy from Mydia. So he's gonna talk to you all about this product. This is, you know, you can do a back camera. So you can literally just go like this.
Oh, oops. Okay. And
On it.
is it on?
Sorry guys, sorry. Oh wait, I can just turn the camera.
Hold on.
I can just turn the camera.
Okay, there you go.
Oh, okay, perfect. Hi everyone. Hi.
Okay.
Hi. Don't forget, I'm going to be asking you questions and you have to answer. And if you answer the question, you'll be getting gifts. You'll be getting vacuum cleaners, home appliances. Okay, let's get started. Now he's going to give you some information about this product.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
This is a 90 centimeter cooker what we have from Mydia. It is one of the best cooking range. When we talk about cooking range, the main concern what we have is the safety. Right here. This particular cooking range is coming with 5 burners on top. 5 burners on top. Coming with
5 burners on top. Don't
Yeah.
forget.
Yeah. So
Don't forget.
So we have the full safety feature wherein by default sometimes the flame gets extinguished. So it's a fully packed machine. You don't have to worry. If the flame is stopped, the gas supply will automatically cut off. So there is nothing to worry about. in
See,
that
this
feature.
is very beneficial for all the people out there who love to cook and, you know, who loves cooking, who likes to eat like me. So this is a very good, this is very good information for you all. So like, please listen.
Yeah. So I'm sure, Jumana, you would be cooking a lot at home as well, grilling and baking as well. So this particular cooking range which we have, it is coming with the convection fan inside, wherein it helps in evenly baking.
Imagine you want to like bake a cake. Oh my God.
So, and apart from that, it has a bottom side, it's oven, and on top there is a grill itself also. So whenever you are cooking inside, like anything non-vegetarian, vegetarian, whatever you want to grill inside, so you have two options here for separate knob for grill and separate knob for the oven. So you can decide how you want to cook your food itself. So this is a very good fully packed machine which we have in terms of cooking range. One of the premium cookers what we have, and all our cookers.
And what is the price for this? Sorry to cut you off. I think the price is also very reasonable. It's not that expensive.
So price is very amazing for us. It is available all across retailers, and we are in Ace Hardware today. So this is roughly, I'll say, because tentative price 1,500 all across the market. What we sell it at 1,500 to 1,700.
See, that is a very good price for like this
Cooking range.
Yeah, cooking range.
Yeah.
It's a very good price for a cooking range because
Absolutely value for money. For us.
yeah, like imagine if I would buy it, you know, but I already have one, but like I'm gonna buy it.
Excellent.
You want me to buy it?
For sure.
5 for sure. I just need to. Okay, anyways, so let's get to the game. First round of giveaway. See, imagine I'm gonna ask you a question, and if you get it right, you get the gift. So the first question is, before I get into the question, they're also sponsoring Manchester City. Okay, so the first question is that 3, 2, 1, start. The first question is, sorry, the question is here. One second. This is not the first question, is it?
So I can talk about Mydia and Manchester City collaboration what we have. In fact, we tied up with Manchester City last year.
Yeah.
Right? I'm just talking about our
Don't give them clues. Okay, my first question is, please tell me 3 Man City players' name. Come on, this is an easy win for you all. You can just show if you want the.
Okay, so we have Man City collaboration last year, right? Started. We are the proud sponsors of Man City.
3 Man City players' name.
Yes.
3 Man City
3 Man
players.
City.
Who name 3 Man City players' name?
Yes.
Let me see if you.
Ronaldo. So
So we have the.
Some people are answering. Okay, so we've got. Okay, amazing. I'm so proud of you all. I'm so proud of you all. You're all actually, giving me the answers. Okay, so we've got a winner here. Her name is Ayman Shafiq 91. AIMANA Shafiq 91. Correct answer. Proud of you. So I'm just going to give your name to him and then he'll be in touch with you. This is the first winner, yeah? But I'll just take a screenshot. Okay? She's the first winner. Congrats, Amina. I'm proud of you. You won the first vacuum cleaner. You're going to win that. They're going to be in touch with you.
Yeah,
They'll
I
deliver
can
to
show
you
it
within-
around if you want. This is the vacuum cleaner.
Yeah, this
Very
is
nice
their new
vacuum
product.
cleaner. Handy product.
They'll get it delivered to you within 10 working days. I'm not even kidding. 10 working days, yeah?
Yes, yes.
10 working days. I'm proud of you. Now let's get to the next question. What is the next question? Next, why don't you introduce another range of products?
We have a lot of products, in fact. So next product, what I'm talking about is the dishwasher. What we have.
Oh, let's get there. Where is it? Yes.
So normally at home nobody wants to do the dirty work. So we have a machine who takes care of that part. Yeah, sure. So we have a very nice machine.
This is actually a good idea.
Yeah.
Imagine you're very lazy, you don't want to wash the dishes. You can literally just put all the plates and everything inside, switch on and it's clean. Boom.
So doesn't matter small gathering, big gathering. So it takes about 40 for 14 people. If you have a gathering at home, it can take all the dishes for them.
Show the
14
product.
persons. So we have here, this is flexible rack. Bottom part, you can always put all the plates, bowls. Then on the second rack, we have all for glassware and the small bowls. And we have a magic rack as well. This is called the magic rack, wherein you put all your cutlery and stuff and you just close it, choose the program. This particular machine is coming called 14 place settings. So for 14 people, it is more than enough, right? And you just choose the program and it is doing all the job for you. So nothing to worry, just choose the program, put the tablet and that's it, done.
That's it, done.
Yes. And main thing is you save a lot of water.
Yeah, you save a lot of water. Because some people like to use a lot of water like me. I use a lot of water, right? Okay, anyways, let's get to the second question. Come. My second question is, he's already introduced this product to you all. I want you to tell me how many burners does this product have? I told you all, pay close attention. Now you know why. Some people are saying 5. Oh, we
Perfect.
have a winner.
Yes,
That's
we have.
amazing. Oh my god, that's amazing. Amazing. Fahmi, it's not 6, darling. Everyone's answering. But we have a winner. But I don't know if he's based here in Dubai. Here. Do they have to be based here? They have to be based here. And if they're not, they can't deliver it, huh? Okay, so you have to be based here, yeah? So like imagine if you're not here, you can just get it delivered to your aunt's house or like uncle's house or like your friend's house, you know what I mean? Do some jugaad. Okay, so we have a winner. The winner's name is Seema K. Hussain. Congrats, Seema. Let me go to his profile. I took a screenshot. Listen, the second winner, I took a screenshot, yeah? Congrats, Seema, you've won the vacuum cleaner. Why don't you show them, show them the product again?
I'll just show the product
This
again.
is what you want.
So this is the vacuum.
If you're not based here, just tell them an address and they'll deliver it to your anyone's house. Okay, but like do some jugaad.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so why don't you introduce another product to them?
Yeah, we have.
I'm very happy that you all paid very close attention to what I was saying. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, let's go to the third product that we have.
What is that product?
So we have a excellent washing machine.
Wow.
So
Washing machine, washing machine.
So again, taking care of the dirty
No, the
stuff.
price is very good. The price is actually very good. Is it on sale?
Yes, this is a promotion price what we have, and
This is a promotion price 142.
1 to 229.
Yeah. Yes, this is a very good price.
Yes. So this is a 8 kg washing machine what we have, silver color, 1400 RPM, and just to tell you about the two main features, it does the laundry in the quickest wash what we have. It is 15 minutes wash. So within 15 minutes, if you're going out and you want your laundry to be ready in 15 minutes time, this is the perfect wash cycle which you can choose. Apart from that feature, which is very hygienic, so you can select the programs from here, the drum clean. Because normally after a few cleaning and all, you see inside the drum is little bit dirty, and how you clean it. So you just put a tablet inside, a cleaning tablet, and you turn the machine on the drum clean function, and it cleans the entire drum itself, because it operates at a very high temperature, by around 90 degrees centigrade, and it takes care of that part itself. So it is very hygienic, and it is a perfect machine for any of the household.
See,
items.
I'm telling you, the price is good. 1.2k. It's on sale.
Yes.
Get it. Come on.
And we have other promotions, a lot of promotions going on. We have Amazfit watches with home appliances going on inside the Ace Hardware, if anyone
It's
is.
in Dubai Festival City.
Yeah.
Ace
Hardware, yes.
Hardware is the shop name. Yeah,
Yes,
it's the
Ace,
place name. Yeah.
yes.
So there's a lot of offers happening right now.
Definitely. A lot of offers which are going on. And on appliances, they can get up to 30% cashback as well.
Cashback. Okay. Anyways, let's not delay. Let's get to the next question.
Let's give our winners chances.
My next question is, how many years of anniversary is Ace celebrating? How many years of anniversary is Ace celebrating? I'll give you clues. 20, 30 and 10. 20, 30 and 10. Oh, we have a winner. I am MZD. What's his name? Musharraf Zahedi. Correct answer. He said 30. Can you go a bit back? Correct answer. I'm proud of you. He's given. This is the next winner. Yeah.
Okay.
I've taken a screenshot again. Musharraf Zahedi. He said it. He said 30. So that's our next winner. So just show them what he's won again.
Yeah, sure. I will show that.
So this is what you
So,
want. Congrats,
this is the
congratulations.
vacuum you have got.
It's a celebration.
Excellent. It's a celebration time.
There you go.
So they'll be in touch with you. A lot of people are answering 30, correct. Some people are answering 20. No talks, 30. But like we already got the winner. Everyone's saying 30.
Sorry, I think we can take more top
Oh, you-
three,
yeah,
top
yeah.
three winners we can take from this.
Okay. I'm gonna
Yeah.
take 3 winners, yeah?
Yes.
Where is it? Was it? Serena is also said. Serena Zoho is also said 30, and Isabel Maria. Oh, Isabel Maria. She's my junior. Okay, she's also said 30. Congratulations, Elizabeth. A lot of people have said 30, 30, 30, 30. Okay, anyways, now let's get to why don't you give some information about your game of product?
I think let's talk about a little bit about Man City collaboration.
Yes,
we have.
yes,
It's
yes.
an excellent
Go ahead,
partnership. It's a home-based team, I would say. It's a UAE-based team. So we tied up with Manchester City. We, Midea, bring home world-class appliances together, and we collaborated with the world-class team, which is Manchester City. Since it is a UAE team, we are proudly celebrating the promotions and a lot of offers within UAE. And we tied up with them for a couple of years, and we started last year, and we are one of the proud partners of Manchester City.
That's fine, sir.
Amazing. My
Yeah.
phone's not gonna fall, yeah? It's literally coming. Okay, so let's get to the next question. Next question is what's the tagline of ACE? What is the tagline of ACE? That is the next.
So we have audiences here.
Oh, we have audiences here as well. So I'm just gonna let someone answer if someone knows the answer correct. What is the tagline of ACE? You have an answer? Okay, what is the answer?
Ace is the happy place. Ace is the helpful place.
Yes, yes. The helpful place. Correct answer. So you congratulations to you for the vacuum
Yeah, we
cleaner.
can hand it over to him
Yeah,
right away.
I'm
Yeah?
gonna give it to you
Yeah.
right now. Please come. So guys, he's won the vacuum cleaner, the gift. Congratulations. Yeah, it's a celebration. They have to
Excellent.
play. They have to play. See you. Thank you. Wait, let me see if anyone has the correct answer. Okay, why don't you just give information about the next product?
Yeah, I think I'll just touch upon one more best feature about this cooking range, which is the sub-off Italian burners. This particular cooking range, it is loaded with sub-off Italian burners. So we are not using any ordinary burners, but we are using the best in the industry.
Best in the industry.
Yes, best in the industry. So the very good burners, no worn out on the planes, and very good heat output it gives. And apart from that, very durable machine which we have in terms of and just to tell all the fans, we are almost in top 3 brands in terms of cooking range within UAE. So we are the leading manufacturers plus the leading sellers in UAE market. Yes.
Let's get to the next question. Let's go. So I hope you all remember about the dishwasher that I was talking to you all about. I want you all to tell me how many plates can this dishwasher wash. I'm going to give you clues, right? 12, 14 and 15. 12, 14 and 15. How many plates can this dishwasher wash? Oh, we have a winner. We have a winner, Fahmi. Congratulations. She said 14. We have a winner called Fahmi Farooq. Congratulations. She said 14. But a lot of people are saying, giving me answers as well. Javed is saying 18. Bro, it's not 18. It's 14. Let me pick top 4 winners. Ruth Soni. She's also said Sony S. Wait, come here. Sony S. She's also given me the correct answer. She said 14. Good. I'm gonna pick one more winner. I'll pick one more winner. 3 winners. Ansi Malik. He's also said 14. Congratulations. I've picked 3 winners right now. The winners are Ansi, Sony and Fahmi. Congratulations. Now let's get to some other product. Give information about some other product so I can ask questions and it'll be easy for my people to win.
All right, I'll touch upon again one of the feature of dishwasher again. Let's go back to dishwasher. So in the dishwasher, normally in most of the dishwashers, what you see, because it is having 3 racks here. So we have the spray arms here. This is called the spray arms. In our dishwasher, this is coming with 3 spray arms. 3 spray arms. So you have on bottom a spray arm which is revolving the water, second here, and one on the top, which helps in perfect cleaning of all the utensils inside the dishwasher. So this is a perfect clean machine, very useful. So 3 spray arms to mention for the perfect for the dishwasher, right? Are we on for this? Yeah. Okay.
Amazing,
So-
amazing. So guys, last but not the least, my final question. Wait, come, please come. Last but not the least, the final question. But like the thing is, the only thing I need to ask, people here, because a lot of people study here,
Yes,
so I need to give them a chance as well. But if you guys are gonna answer me, I'll give you guys, the prices as well. So like, make sure at least 5 people, give me the correct answer so I can give to you all the prize. Yeah. The question is, what is my Dia's tagline? What is my Dia's tagline? It's a very, very, what do I say, easy, not easy. Yeah, my Dia's tagline. What is my Dia's tagline?
Yourself at home.
Wait. But I don't think people have heard it. She's got the right answer, but I'm sure you guys have not heard it. But like, I want you all to give me the correct answer so I can give you all the prize as well. Let me see if anyone's getting it right. Oh, Yasmina has said it. Make yourself at home. That's the correct answer. Amazing. Yasmina has said the correct answer. I'm gonna take a screenshot. Yomi, she has said the correct answer. Make yourself at home. Congratulations to you. Yes, Yasmin. Everyone's giving me the answer now. Everyone. Oh, can I pick one more winner? Yes. Okay. Mehdi. Mehnaz, Yasmin has also got it right. Make yourself at home. Amazing. I'm going to pick one more winner, yeah? Okay. Hina's also got it right. I'm going to take a screenshot. Hina, Kuram, congratulations you all. You guys won the gift. It's going to be delivered within 10 working days.
We can always
I'm going to,
hand it
yeah,
over.
congratulations. Thank you as well. I'm just going to give her the gift right now. Thank you.
Yay! Huge fan, by the way.
So guys, so that's pretty much it. Wait, I'm just gonna end the thing over here. So that's pretty much it. It was a very interactive session with you all. I'm gonna come back again soon with another giveaway. Don't worry, I've taken a screenshot of whoever has given me the correct answer. They're gonna be in touch with you on Instagram. They'll DM you, and you can just give them the address, and they'll get it delivered to you. Thank you so much for taking part in the giveaway and in the quiz. I'll see you all in the next live stream. Till then, bye. Take care. Love you all.
Thank you everyone. Thank you guys.
You want me to pause?